If you're living paycheck to paycheck, listen up. You need to find a side hustle that pays. I was so sick of bouncing around from loan to loan, borrowing money from here and there just to make it to payday. The Noise app is where it's at right now. I've only been on for a little bit over a week and I'm already getting my payouts. Just start. Just start, stay consistent, and you will feel so good once that first deposit hits. Especially knowing that you didn't even have to leave the house or a lot of times the couch to do it. Come back and thank me later when you find out I was totally right.